Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Rachel Anita, and today we're going to be doing a self-care day. I woke up feeling pretty anxious. I usually sleep till like 9:30, and today I woke up at 7 just with a heavy feeling on my chest and just not feeling well. So I want to do a self-care day today. I have a lot of items that I want to try out that I've received recently, including like face masks, hair masks, feet masks, nails. If you see my other videos, you know I always have my nails done, but not like from the salon. I do my own nails. And a brand named Cora sent me these press-on nails, like a bunch of them. So thank you to them. And we're gonna be trying those out today. I'm not sure which one I'll pick. There's quite a few and they're really pretty. I'll just show you very quickly. So there's these green swirly ones. There's these that have slightly different. These have like more pastel color. And then these have kind of like a green blue thing. And then these are really cool. These are blue, brown, and yellow. So I think I'm like feeling either these or these. I think I'm gonna do these actually today. So I also have some Patchology feet, like pedicure shoe foot things. Like these are like foot masks. It's like a boot but like with stuff in it. So I'm going to use this. I also have a Dr. Jart soothing hydro solution mask, and just kind of like try to take care of myself and do something that will help me feel a little bit better after I woke up super anxious today. So I think if you're in the same boat as me and need a little bit of self-care, definitely pull together a few items like this. You can have a salon day at home for cheap, and you can do it with me. But yeah, just follow along if you want to see what I'm up to today. Again, just going to do self-care. I am working today, but in between calls, I'm just going to be doing some of this stuff on. I'm going to put these nails on while I'm on a call that I'm mainly listening to. And yeah, let's get started. I'm going to do the nails first. First thing that we're going to do though is light a candle, because candles set the vibe. So join me in lighting your favorite candle right now. These are from TJ Maxx. They're so inexpensive. They're like $8, but if you look them up online, they're like $40 or $50. Like you can't get them online. But these smell so good. And I've got my chamomile tea. I've been craving like English breakfast, but I cannot do caffeine right now or my anxiety is gonna go right back up. So I'm settling for some chamomile, and we're gonna do the nails. So these are the ones I'm gonna do from Cora. They're really pretty. If you are interested in trying these nails or this type of nails, I would go down to the description box. I have a code there for I think 20% off. So they send you like a bunch of nails. They send you some stickies. They send you glue. And then they send you a little packet with a little white pad for your nails. So like a little disposable wipe for your nails, and a nail file, and like a cuticle pusher. So what I always do is I always start off with cleaning up my nails, just cutting them down, making sure they're short first of all, and then cleaning them up. Okay, nails cut. Now let's clean them up. It's a prep pad. I actually like Cora because they send you all these things. Usually in like Kiss nails or stuff you can get at Target, it's just the nail glue and then a small file. Here they have the prep pad, the nail glue, the cuticle pusher, and then the option for the stick-on nails rather than the glue-on nails. So yeah, I like that. And then I think they have like a little guide on how to do it, which is awesome. Because I will say, the first time I did this, they came out looking like crap. But the more you do it, the better and better they get. So if you're trying this for the first time, I would recommend just continue to try doing it. And now they look so beautiful, and everyone's always commenting to me how cute they are. And yeah, so I just opened up the box. This is what they look like. And now at this point, what you are gonna do, what I'm gonna do actually, is find ones that fit my nail. So let's try to do that together. This purple one seems to fit this finger pretty well. Okay. And typically they'll match. Like if it's the same design, it will fit the same finger. So that makes it easier to find the right ones. So this one fits right there. Let's try this one. This one seems to fit right for my middle finger. So I'm gonna find that matching one. I really love these colors. They're really fun. Okay, here's that one. And then I just line them up like how your fingers go. So that makes it easier to organize. And then the yellow one is the pinky. Here's the other one. This is happening way quick. Okay, so now we're gonna go, okay. So now that I've figured out which nails work best, I'm gonna get rid of the other ones or just move them to a different area so I don't get confused. So what we've got here is 5 nails, and what I'm gonna do is just, first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna file down my nails a little bit. You know when you go to the salon and they file down your nails a lot? So when you do this method and just do it at home, you can choose how much to do. And I always just do a tiny bit. The more you do it, the better they stay on, but they will stay on regardless, even if you choose not to do this. They just might not stay on as long. My false nails usually last between 1 and 2 weeks. Sometimes one will pop off because I did it wrong, and I'll just glue it back on and it's totally fine. It looks great. And I just like these nails. I get so many compliments. People are like, oh my God, where'd you get that done? And then I'm like, at home. So yeah, I'm just gonna file the nails a little bit. That's really all I'm gonna do. Nothing too crazy. Just a few swipes on the nail. And I'm gonna get a little bit of glue. And now they send you the glue, so you just open it up. And I think this one needs to be cut. Yeah, so get some scissors and then cut the top. So we're just gonna do that, and that way the glue can come out. Okay, get better scissors than the ones I have, guys. So I will just put a little bit of glue on the base of the nail and then also on my finger. And then I will just slip it on, make sure it's straight, and hold it there for a couple of seconds. So definitely like check in the first few seconds to see if it's straight, because it will adhere and then you won't be able to get it off. So I put it on kind of crooked at first and then I fixed it and now it's straight. So I just press it down a little bit and it's good to go. Okay, so now we're gonna do the next nail and just go on like that. Sometimes what I'll do is I will also file the nails down if I feel like they're slightly too big. So I'm gonna do that with this one actually, just to kind of make it fit a little bit better. Nails finished. So they look super pretty. I really love them. I cut them a little bit shorter, so as you can tell, they are not as long, but they're long, which I like. And yeah, they're super cute. And now we're gonna do a face mask, because why not? And a posh peel pedicure thing. So get your face mask or whatever it is that you have, and let's do this together. I have no idea how to do this. Okay, so I have to open this up. There's gonna be 2 socks, and then I have to pour this liquid into the socks. There's this little stuff. Oh no, it looks like a diaper almost. Oh my God, they're little booties. Look at that. Okay, so now the liquid's in there and it says to distribute evenly amongst the boot. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna make sure the boot is thoroughly covered in the stuff. And then we're gonna put the boot on. This is way too high tech for me. Okay, boot. Y'all, this is not cute, but you know what? And then like it comes with a little like thing to like trap your foot in it. So we're gonna glue that on. Oh my gosh. This is very overwhelming. Now, the final step for now is this Dr. Jart Soothing Hydra Solution Mask. I love Dr. Jart masks. And actually, you can get like basically everything I'm using today at TJ Maxx. This I probably got at TJ Maxx. But these are my favorite face masks. They like actually work. Ooh, and they are a Korean skincare brand and they're awesome. So we're gonna pull this little mask out. It is for hydrating, obviously, that moisturizes and conditions sensitive skin. So we're gonna open that up. I don't know about you, but I love a good face mask. So, self-care is important, friends. I am feeling better already from this morning, so that's really nice. Who was messaging me? Let's go. The little nose flap has to go down. There we go. I'm very sensitive to cold, so I hate how cold it is at first. But then you get used to it. Hello. So now that we have our face masks on together, we're gonna veg, we're gonna watch some TV, we're gonna hang out, we're gonna live our best lives, we're gonna check our Slacks because someone mega messaged us for work. So let's just do that, you know, let's just do that. We are done. I'm feeling hydrated, cared for. I'm feeling like a whole new person. I don't even recognize myself anymore. So I'm just gonna let all those serums just kind of go into my skin, refresh me, and then I'll be a whole new person tomorrow when my skin is just beautiful. Actually, once this dries, I'm going to put a different product on. I'm gonna show you it right now. Okay, so another brand sent me this pimple paste. So I'm gonna give it a try. It's called In Beauty, and it looks like it's pretty good for your skin. Clean Beauty. And it's a fast-acting drying paste for pimples. So I'm excited to try this. This is what it looks like. This is kind of turning into like self-care day just with PR. But yeah, I just have a few pimples. Now we've got our pimple cream on and we're gonna be so fly. The packaging is really cute too. So In Beauty Pimple Paste. And last but not least is this mozzarella and tomato salad with balsamic vinaigrette. So your girl does not like salads. I hate salads. I like eating things like In-N-Out, mac and cheese, specifically Kraft, hot dogs, you know, just delicious things like that. But I got this salad at Trader Joe's because I'm also really lazy and don't necessarily want to leave the house. And you know what? A mozzarella tomato salad, I think because it started with cheese and it wasn't like tomato salad, I got it because I was like, mozzarella? I love mozzarella. Anyway, so I'm gonna eat my salad and watch some TV before I go back to work. But yeah, I think that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have also done your self-care for today and that you're feeling strong, beautiful, brave, and hot. So yeah, I'm gonna eat my salad and watch some television, and thanks for coming to join me. Oh, and make sure to check out Betty Cora down below. Again, there's a 20% off discount code. It's Rachel20, and get yourself some nails like mine.